seconds. Today, we will witness the most breathtaking and shocking moments in traffic accidents. From reckless drivers causing tragic accidents to unexpected situations caused by cars losing control or disregarding traffic signs. Together, we will analyze each situation to learn valuable lessons for ourselves. Buckle up and let's get started. One cargo truck traveling at high speed, suddenly losing control, straight onto the sidewalk and crashed directly into a residential house roadside. Luckily, there was no human damage. One heavy cargo truck was moving at high speed. Upon arrival, sharp bend, sudden loss of control, inability to control vehicle weight, and flipped over in the middle of the road. The truck had crushed the car, and rescuers were at the scene to rescue the people in the car. Every turn is a challenge. Drive carefully to protect yourself and others. One, the truck was driving at high speed, couldn't handle the situation in time, crashed heavily into another truck turning right. Due to the strong impact force, the truck was pushed forward electric poles on the side of the road and crashed an electric pole. More importantly, right at that moment, there was a pedestrian standing under an electric pole. One car runs red light at the intersection. Was concrete truck stay in the right lane direct tones? Cause the car was completely crushed under the huge weight of the tanker truck. Running a red light can shorten your waiting time, but it can shorten your whole life. Please drive safely. A serious accident occurs when water truck lost control, climbed separator and flipped horizontally, crushing one. The car is stopped at a red light right next to it. The car was completely crushed, almost unrecognizable. terrible accident just happened when a small car run with high speed lost control and crashed straight into a series of vehicles parked on the sidewalk. Many cars parked along the road were seriously damaged. There was a car whose front and rear were crushed. A serious accident occurs when a person is crossing the road, then suddenly got one car's running at high speed hit. After the collision, the car lost control, jumped onto the sidewalk, and crashed flip horizontally. A serious accident just happened. A truck crossed the road without looking, moving too fast, causing the driver lost control. As a result, the car jumped straight up separation and suffered flip horizontally, middle of the road. An unfortunate accident just happened. A person riding an electric bicycle crossed the street without paying attention. The truck driver discovered a dangerous situation. Drive quickly, move to the next lane to avoid. But at that moment, another truck moving behind did not have time to react, and a strong collision occurred. A small car is moving at high speed, surprise lost control, and drove straight onto the median, and overturned and seriously damaged the vehicle. A motorcyclist crossed the street without paying attention, just in time for one oil tanker truck coming. The tank truck driver had braked to avoid, but the car lost control and flipped over in the middle of the road. One. The car is moving at high speed, suddenly lost control, rushed straight onto the sidewalk, and crashed directly into a restaurant. Tables, chairs, and furniture in the shop were scattered. Thank you for watching the video until the end. The situations in the video have helped us learn valuable lessons about traffic safety. If you feel the video is helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next useful videos. See you in upcoming videos.